Alright, hey guys, so I'm back from the store. I'm just going to show y'all real quick what I got. I got rotisserie chicken. I got all of the stuff from Farm Fresh. This is how the bag looks. It just says high in protein, no artificial ingredients, and it's by the brand John Soul's Food. Then I got this spicy ranch, and it's just by Hidden Valley. And then these are the tortillas. What I got to drink with my food is this. I got this white grape juice. This is the cheese I'm going to be using, and it's just mixed blended cheese, so it has white cheese and orange cheese in it. I did bring up a recipe, but I'm not going to look at it because I'm using my phone. So, we're going to be ghetto and use a paper plate because I don't feel like washing dishes. So, all you need is just open up your tortillas. I got the tortilla on the plate. Then I'm going to, actually before we do that, we need to put the chicken in the pan so it can cook. So this is the type of pan I'm going to be using to cook my chicken in. And it's a non-stick pan, so make sure if you're going to be making anything, use a non-stick pan. If you don't have a non-stick pan, obviously, you know, to put like cooking spray up there. And really, you don't need a lot of chicken. Actually, I only have enough. I might have to use the whole bag. Let me see. Because they didn't really give me a lot of chicken. I'm not really complaining because I'm really just making this for the video. And plus, it's just something quick to make. So, I probably won't even need the whole bag. Because really, I can just cut these into like little pieces. I probably should have did that before I put them in here. But it's nothing to just cut them now. And these are going to cook really fast because they're already cooked. They just need a little bit, you know, little something to make them, you know, do what it do. So right now I'm just cutting up the chicken into smaller slices so it can fit into the quesadilla. Because who wants big chunks in their quesadilla? Nobody. So I will come back when I'm finished cutting all of these pieces of chicken. So I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so they're all cut up into little pieces. I'm just going to let them cook for a little bit longer, and then I'm going to go ahead and put them in my quesadilla. So alright, you guys, so this is how it looks. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my cheese, and then we'll be all done. Now we're going to put another tortilla on top of this one. Now we're going to place this in the toaster oven for like 5 minutes. Alright, you guys, so I think it's ready. So now I'm going to go ahead and take it out. This is how it's looking. Now I'm going to go ahead and let me get a spatula so I can put this on my plate. Now it's time to cut it and reveal what it looks like. And I'm going to show y'all my reaction to how it tastes. I'm pretty sure it's going to be good. Like, I don't see how it would possibly be nasty. But I've made something nasty before that wasn't supposed to be. I tried to attempt to make some homemade pizza, man. That thing was so nasty. Okay. Oh, this looks so good, y'all. The cheese is just oozing out. And then the good thing about making quesadillas is it's such an easy and quick task. Like, it don't take that long. Okay. Okay, y'all see that cheese oozing out? Okay. So let me raise this camera up so y'all can see my reaction. Okay. So I'm about to go ahead and try it. Okay, let's see. Y'all, I gotta make this more often. This joint smacking. I don't even talk like that, but this joint smacking. Like, And then I'm gonna put some, y'all, I ain't expect it to be this good. But I'm gonna put some ranch on the side and dip it in there. Actually, I should probably put some sour cream on the side. Hold up. What I actually forget? October 16th. Oh, heck no. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. This is how it came out. And it tastes so bomb. So let me go ahead and get this thumbnail. If y'all like this video and y'all want some more cooking videos, make sure y'all comment below and let me know. And I will see y'all in my next video. Thanks for watching.